Yo, what is going on? This is your boy Endless, checking back in with another YouTube video. Today's video, we are going to be diving into Ravencoin. I'm going to explain to you guys why I'm mining it, what I'm mining it on, price predictions, and basically just my overall opinions about this project, where I think it's going, and we're going to dive right into that right now. Now, before we get started, I appreciate you guys coming out to the channel. We review all sorts of different stuff here, a lot of reviews, tech, how-tos, all sorts of different content. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. It's really appreciated. So Ravencoin, I've been mining Ravencoin now for about the past year. I mine it on a computer. I'll be showing that here momentarily in a couple minutes. But I have a dedicated mining rig that I mine this on with 3 graphics cards. I'm pretty bullish on this project. A lot of people would say, hey, there's not a lot going on with this. They didn't really follow through with their promises in the past. And all of that is pretty true, but there's still potential with this project. The screen that I have up right here is ravencoin.org. This is the white paper if you want to check it out. I'll have links down in the description below so that you can click on those and read through that. I'm not going to read through this whole thing, but it's pretty interesting stuff, especially if you're interested in becoming a Ravencoin holder. I always recommend people to read the white paper. Now, on this here, I wanted to go over the possibilities of what they're predicting that the price of this coin is going to be going to. A lot of people would say, man, that's a pretty bullish statement to say that this thing's going to jump up. But a lot of people are predicting here within the next 2 years that a potential low of 33 cents, a potential high of 73 cents. Now, guys, remember, not a financial advisor, just another YouTuber sharing his opinions about a project that really interests him. So I'm not telling you guys to go out here and buy this, by no means. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just sharing with the world my predictions on this project and where I believe the project could go. You know, and these are just estimates, what they believe. And this is from coinpedia.org. Pretty reliable source. They've had a couple good calls on this website, and they have a lot of information. But in regards to the long run on things, I believe this project has some potential with this bull run that's going on. And we're going to jump over to the graph right now over here on Coin Market Cap. Right now, Ravencoin's sitting at about 2 cents. It's up 47.56% for the past year, and it's steady moving. I mean, if you guys look at this graph, we're going to click on all. Compared when it first came out back in 2018, it's had an all-time high of roughly about 22 cents. It says here it looks about 22 cents, and right now it's sitting at 2 cents. I think with the bull run coming up, it has potential to go back up to that price once again. Another thing to really keep in mind is that all my GPU miners out there, you guys have to believe that eventually, and maybe not this project, but maybe another GPU mineable coin, that something is going to replace Ethereum in terms of price and profitability on these devices. Ravencoin, I believe, is only a GPU mineable coin. So there's no ASICs on there. So you have to use GPUs, graphics cards. So with that being said, I believe in the future GPU mining will recover. I don't know if it's going to be as good as it used to be with mining Ethereum. Obviously, it's been over a year since ETH went from proof of work to proof of stake, but I still think there's a lot of potential for this project. I've been mining it for some time now. It does use a lot of electricity to mine it, but overall, I'm cool with it. I like it. I have a rig out in my shed. I have a little mining shed, small build, but it works well out there. So I'm going to go on ahead and dive in and show you guys a quick video of my build, what graphics cards I'm running, and just show you a couple creative things. I always really enjoy sharing with the world what I'm working on. So now, let me give you a quick tour of the mining rig that's mining the Ravencoin. There's not much to this thing. I've had this thing for a couple years, and I've gotten really creative with it. As you can see down here, you know, we have the Toy Story theme going on, a little chopper bike, and we also got Woody over here. What's up, dude? Anyway, something that I did on here is I took a chicken feeder and did all my wire management. I've built this whole thing from the ground up. I'm very proud of building this thing. The RGB fans turn colors, and I also have this box fan. Now on top, all I'm rocking is 3 AMD 5700 XT models, and you can see those there. Now it's on to the nitty gritty of what are your stats and what are you making on here. On average, I earn anywhere from about $1.25 to $2 per day, depending on how many blocks I find with the pool that I'm in. These are my stats here. I'm getting about 80 mega hash per second, and I'm mining Ravencoin. So we're just stacking that up and hodling it. And that's just a quick review of my mining rig, or what I use to mine the Ravencoin. Well, other than that, I really appreciate you guys tuning into the video today. And if you watched this all the way through, you guys are real ones. Comment down below. I want to know your guys' prediction. Where do you think this project is going to go? Do you think it's going to shoot up? Do you think there's going to be new all-time highs? Do you think it's all just a bunch of blah blah? I just want to know. Or do you really have any idea what I'm talking about at all? I want to hear your opinions down in the comments section below. This is your boy Endless. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. If you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech-related content coming your way. This is your boy Endless. Peace.